Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download games on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is actually just turn on your Samsung Smart TV, and from there you can just grab your controller. Now in the middle of your controller you should be able to see this button which is highlighted on screen, and that is the home button. So go ahead and click on that to be brought to your Samsung TV home. From there, it should look something like this, and we just want to navigate over to the section that says apps. From there, we'll open up this screen and we will see a whole bunch of different apps. However, since we're trying to download games, we're going to have to go over to this left-hand side and just switch to this one here, which is the little game controller icon. From there, we'll be brought to this page here and we can see a whole bunch of different games. So we can browse through games here and just download anything that we like. Or if we have a specific game in mind, we can go up to the top where this search bar is in the top left, and then we can type in whichever game we want, and then go to download it. From there, all you have to do is select your game and select download, and then it will be downloaded onto your TV. So that's how you can download games on your Samsung Smart TV. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.